How to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated to latest version. After it's updated, open the app. Go to your profile located at bottom right and then click on plus button at top. Then press on post. After you've clicked on post, simply select your photos, more than 10. After you've selected your picture, click on next at top right corner of your screen. After you've done that, you can simply easily post more than 10 pictures. If this is not available on your Instagram, simply wait for some time and that feature will be available on your device soon. This is how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophie signing off until next time.